Say star.
Star.
Star. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa Lakita. What's that? Flower? Flower. Flower. There's a real flower. Yes. Daddy. Mamsi, hello. Hi, say hi. Hi, Luis.
Say hi, sir. Hi.
Ayan ang twin room. Malaki siya. Ayan ang bata. Andong isang paa. Andong isang paa. Wala yung tsinelas. Malaki siya, malaki. Ayan, walk na, walk. Ano, Papsi? Guys, maggagala muna kami. Papa yan eh. Papa yan eh.
Sir.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Ha? Wala ka na sila. Asa na sila?
Kiss Papa.
Oh.
Kiss Mama. Head. Oh, wala na. Good.
Say hi. Ano sasabi mo? Number 1. Oh. Hi. Hi. Kuya Tor is here.
Kuya Tor, kiss.
Oh, kiss Kuya Tor.
Naliligo pa rin si Joey.
Kiss.
Oh, you want to go?
Kiss. Ah, dali na. Play na kayo. Play. Happy si Kuya and Scooter.
Piti.
Ba't piti-piti?
Piti.
Piti-piti.
Ay, cute. Piti.
Ba't piti-piti?
Piti.
Busy siya dyan sa Batones.
Piti.
Ano, nag-rap silik tayo.
is on your right.
Wow! Ano masasabi niya?
Malansa.
Best.
Lansa to.
Masarap ulamin.
Romantic cave.
Anak pa to?
Stonefish.
Victor! 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 What can you say? It's amazing? It's amazing? Hi! Victor! Victor! Hi! Wave your hand! Ano yan? Saan?
Battery.
Oh, meron ditong isa. Oh. Nag-e-enjoy din. Oh. Oh, isa munang ano. One little yellow fish swimming in the water. Penguin daw dito, kuya.
Naiwan yung jacket niya.
Ano dyan? Fish! Big fish! Oh.
Ulit na yung mga ilute, no?
Natakot ako. Natakot ako. Pati na si Victor natakot.
May lumipad. Gulat ako. May lumipad. Kaya ngayon gulat ako. Big.
Big fish!
One little yellow fish swimming in the water.
Yes!
Stop naman, pag-iising may mga fish.
Yay! Yay!
Ay! Wala na, wala na. Nakain sa pagong?
Kunin yung souvenirs. Parang ganyan.
Sa Ate Joy parang dinikit lang, no?
Wala, laki nga suso.
Snake. Ito.
Wow, cockroach. What can you say about the cockroach? It's the same? Nakatingin siya sa ano, ipis, si Thor. Alin, te?
Ano yung insect ko? Sabay ko. Ano yung mga na? Parang ko lang na. Pamilya ka kinagit, ewan ko lang na.
Hindi.
Spider-Man.
Saan sila ang hawak ba?
Wala naman maliit lang ito.
Yun nga, oh, yung millipede, yung maliliit tren-tren, nandun doon. Ginaganon-ganon lang natin yun eh.
Bakit?
Maglas?
Matatakotin ka naman, boy. Malagkit yan eh. Malagkit ba ito, kuya?
Ano ko po? Bebe.
Snail po.
Pagkapakin mo nga, kuya.
Hintayin nyo lang po. Dalawang kami po. Para hindi
Uy, tanga. Ba't mo tinatakpan?
Baka man eh.
hintayin nyo lang po lumaki.
Malaglag eh. Bakit lang naman ang ulo? Ano?
Yung pag-uwi, how are you guys? One, Thor?
No.
8 mall 1?
Hindi ko na nakakalit eh.
Hindi ka lumalabas. Relax lang po.
Parang tumagal ang dalawa kay Eka. Pang-air. Tumabos.
Koma? Komang sino?
Okay na po. Ano na po?
Tarantula ba?
Ay, parang sa lagubong?
Siya po yung biggest cockroach in the world.
Yun.
White plus po siya.
Ay, hindi na nilipad.
Di siya lumilipad, pero nangangagat siya.
Bakit yung saan tayo gumagawa?
Picture mo nga nga.
So hissing siya kapag ano niya.
Ano yan?
Madalas
Ay, ito, babe. Isang malipid. Nadaldapin na.
Malipisin.
Nadaldapin lang sa buwan.
Yeah.
No, if you remember on ground floor, you came from down there.
Oh.
Yeah, we did the boat ride on the top of the tunnel, and it is just 5 meters deep. Do you know how to swim? Before you came, you know how to swim?
No.
No. So, yeah, that's where you can do the diving. Of course. So you killed me already. Now I'm So some of the animals we have there, we are treating them like a sea turtle, and others are not under medication. But I'm telling you, which ones are under medication. This is where we treat the babies. Come and stand here, or someone will carry you up. You still need support. Can you see this side there? We have babies, newborn babies, and over there
I'm sorry.
we have the
babies.
So the reason why we have them in there for medication, and this one from their stomach, garbage, plastic, and why they eat plastic? They confuse the plastic with food is the jellyfish, seagrass, jellyfish, clown. But this one will confuse them.
Yes, it will look like
Yeah.
jellyfish.
And if they eat, they can't survive. So we collected this one from the ocean. We always buy ice cream when we go to the beach. you know that some people they throw the sponge inside the ocean?
Nagawa pala sa basura to.
Oo, recycle.
Now we have the African red parrots. You know the parrots? They can speak. Same like
They can speak your language to.
they can speak Tagalog. You can speak Tagalog to them, right? They understand. They understand, huh? Say anything for her. So that's what we keep them because we throw them outside.
Hello. Hello.
Now they're keeping them here, like keeping them accommodation. They represent World Life Project.
Diretso.
And in there we have the pigs.
Nay. Ano to? Sa bahay lang. Ah. Nire-reserve niya yung tubig. Pamalit yan pa.
So in the day, the African manatees, they can eat around 21 kg to 22 kilograms of food per day each of them. That's around 40, 42 like that. And we feed them like 3 times a day. They can weigh up to 450 kilograms. Maybe these guys are 200.
Manatee.
There's also West India, there is Amazon. They can eat fish. They are not vegetarians. They can eat fish, but the type of fish they eat we don't have. Do you know this skin? It looks like what?
What's that?
Do you know the animal which looks like this?
Elephant?
Yeah. They look like elephant. Their skin is set like elephant. And those are mammals, aquatic mammals. So every 4 minutes to 15, they have to bring their nose out of water. They have to get oxygen for themselves. And they have unlimited supply of teeth. They can reach up to 39 years, 40 years. Still, they can live this life. No need to go and see them. And here is a plankton. This is the one different color. So now we make it so simple, like liquid food for what you see. Just press the button and have it in there. You can use this one. That's food for the jellyfish, for corals, the weed seed. You want to see? You want to see? Very tiny. And this is food for the jellyfish, for the sea dragon, corals.
Tadpole.
And here we are doing breeding and recuperation. This is the Arabian cottage shark. These are shark eggs.
What's that?
Shark eggs.
Shark?
Shark eggs.
Shark eggs.
So some of the sharks they give birth like humans, others they lay eggs out, and others they lay eggs in and hatch the babies out. Inside we have the egg. Yeah. You see the egg? And the long thing that's the yolk where they get their food from. So the embryo is the protection bag where the egg baby will grow and come out. So how many days we need? 7. The hatch is very small then. When we do it for them to grow and become like 30 centimeters, we take them to the ocean, but in this Caribbean Gulf. Why are we keeping the eggs here? What do you think? Why are we keeping the eggs here?
Maybe some of the fish will
Exactly, the fish. And once they hatch, there's some fish they can the animal so
30, ang laki. Ang laki ng 30. Uy! Ito, ang laki. Oo, ang laki oh.
And not aggressive to attack them. We open this door for him to move around there. Yeah. So why we keep him here? He's okay. He's not sick, but this is where we feel comfortable for him to stay. In Indonesia, you can find some parts of Sri Lanka, some parts of India. And this place is very friendly. You see us? We see many great professors. Yeah. So some, because the big ones, they need it.
Anong ginawa?
Yeah, you have seen the big one.
There inside, yeah?
And here, this is where we get the brine shrimps, the microscopic animals. We use the brine shrimp eggs in there for 48 hours. The eggs decapsulate and hatch. That is when we get the tiny food, the one you have seen in a microscope. It's the same process we do with mysis. We keep it to grow bigger for some weeks, only 1 centimeter. Now we can be using this one to feed different animals, like Asia, Nemo. But when we need food for this guy, tiny jellyfish. And that's where we do the surgery to remove the plastics. That's it.
Hindi, magkano pa tayo, bangka? Life jacket. Life jacket. Jacket, bakit? Lalangoy ka ba? Hindi, dito lang. Eh, si Spider-Man pala to eh. Alin? Ano ba yung smular? Spider-Man. Hindi ko kilala yun. Hi guys! We're going for boating. Hi guys! We're going for the boating.
Man!
Oh, pasok na kayo. Where is it? For video, ha? Oh, may reel. Picture pa.
Picture ba eh?
Oo, nga so. Dor, look down. Fish, oh, fish, fish, fish. Fish. Ayan.
bring the big fish.
Nakakita nakakanta.
And the inside, you will put it in the other side. Yeah.
Pre, walang messenger dito.
May Spider-Man, oh. Oh, may Spider-Man.
I will use my web.
Kami ngayon ni Cruiser. Andito kami ngayon sa... Oh, nasa aquarium daw kami mga boy. Oo, sige. Nasaan tayo, anak? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Ha? Ma. 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 Very good, ah. Oh, ma. What do you want?
Unicorn. One unicorn.
Okay.
Unicorn?
Unicorn pang bakla yun, ah.
One unicorn.
Mama.
One.
Mama. Mama. Oh, sige na. Hindi na.
Wow, sarap. Yummy.
Yeah.
Ay, naku, nasisyan na. Ay, pa. Ay, yeah.
Okay? Yummy?
Good. Ayaw pa, ano doon?
Tan.
Pakita mo kung paano mo sinayang.
Look, Papa.
Look, Papa. Look, Papa. Tama. Ay, yummy. Tissue. Ay, sa ilalim. Ayan, kumanap na.
Yummy? Yes or no?
Hindi na.
Tan out.
Yay! Ang galing.
Doors on the bus open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. The doors on the bus says open and shut. All through the town and shut all day long. The mommy on the bus says the mommy on the bus says all day long. The doors on the bus says open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. Huh? Oh, drive na, drive. The doors on the bus says open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. The doors on the bus says open and shut. Round, round and round. Round and round. The wheels on the bus round and round. All through the town. The mommy on the bus says the mommy on the bus says all to the town. Yeah. The daddy on the bus says I love you. I love you. I love you. The daddy on the bus